Let us study the Module 2 in details. The first point of the Module 2 is multiple strategies for flexible approach of learning. The detailed information is given in the following links. Following are some of the ways for flexible approach of learning. First one is lesson goals. Second one is assignment options. Third one, flexible workspace, regular feedback, and digital and audio text. These are all the multiple strategies required for flexible approach of learning. When you decide to apply strategy to implement flexible approach of learning in the classroom, first you have to decide your lesson goal, your specific aim of the lessons, to what is going to teach, and what are the assignments you have to give to your student after teaching some points to check the learning outcomes of your lesson. Then you have to create flexible workspace in your classroom and also in your teaching and learning process. You have to give regular feedback on their responses and on their activities or whatever they perform while asking some task and while fulfilling their task. You have to give regular feedback to them. Then, along with the explanation, along with the teaching material, you have to show them some digital material and some audio text you have to use, because in your diverse learning classroom, some of the learners are disabled learner. In inclusive setup school, you have to notice all the learners and you have to observe their strategies, how and what they have learned. Let us study the one by one points. Lesson goals. Student might also write down or insert lesson goals in their notebook. The teacher refers to lesson goal during the lesson itself. First, you have to propose goals of your lesson, and student might also write down or they have to keep in their notebook, and you have to check after your teaching. Then second one is the assignment option. The link is given after this point. You have to check various types of assignments and variety of assignments given in this link. You have to just click on this link and get additional information about this. So here some assignments options are given. First one is the create podcast or a video. You have to create video yourself, or you can show them videos, ready-made videos which is available on YouTube or in other resources. You have to show them with the related to your teaching concept, or some podcast material is also available in the audio format which is very useful for the visual learner, and video is also useful for the audio learner. Draw a comic strip. Sometimes you have to explain some concepts. Student can explain as per their own way. Some students have specific skill. They have to draw whatever they understood. So give them some opportunity to draw comic strip related to your teaching concept or your explanation. They can combine their knowledge, whatever they get during explanation, and they have to create, to use their creativity on paper or on particular chart. You have to provide them to create comic strips on the basis of explanation as per their understanding level. Take outside from classroom. Sometimes you have to give explanation and some examples in classroom, but sometimes it will be more effective when you have to take out from the classroom and give them direct experience. They will learn very fast and it will be very meaningful and durable also. Then you can prepare one worksheet. when you prepare your lesson goal and your teaching content, as per that your teaching content, you have to prepare some worksheet. In this worksheet, clear cut mention goal, procedure, explanation, and requirement, and after at the end feedback and learning outcomes. In the format of this, you have to prepare worksheet and mention the activities also. So student can refer the worksheet and give them sufficient time to complete the worksheet. And also you have to give them some essay type question or essay. Third one is the flexible workspaces. This includes spaces for quite individual work or in small group or in large group work. You have to give some group instructions. If students need to tune out noise, they can choose to wear earbuds or headphones during independent work. You have to create learning environment in your classroom. For this environment, you have to create some learning centers. Sometimes you have to assign them some individual work or some group work. For the group work, you have to mention your clear-cut group instruction for them or provide some equipment also to do their independent work very feasible. For example, earbuds or headphones so they will not disturb from outside noise. Regular feedback. Students get feedback after every day. Students get feedback often every day on how they are doing. At the end of lesson, teacher may talk with individual students about lesson goals. If they didn't meet the goals, they are encouraged to think about. You can take feedback frequently during the lesson or after completion of the lesson, or at the end of lesson you may talk with student personally, individually or in group, and to check what are the which how many objectives you are fulfilled after the teaching. If they didn't meet the goal, if student are unable to complete the task, unable to complete any assignment, you have to give them some encouragement tips and again give them sufficient time to think about that material. Digital and audio text. Students have many options to reading including print media, digital media, text to speech, audio book. For digital text, there are also options for text enlargement, choices for screen color, contrast videos have options. There are transcripts for audio material. These are various types of digital and audio text you have to include in your teaching explanation and in your classroom because you can give the proper justice to all learners sitting in classroom. Here's the